As launch time approaches, anxious scientists and their families nervously await liftoff. Blasting off from Kazakhstan, the Russian Soyuz rocket safely takes off for the European Space Agency's cluster mission, a day later than scheduled and 4 years after the first mission tragically blew up on launch. The mission will last for 2 years and will be investigating the complex relationship between the Earth and the Sun. 4 satellites are currently working in space on this mission. The satellites are linked and travel in a wide orbit around the Earth together, gathering information. The nuclear powerhouse that is the Sun is constantly shooting streams of electrically charged particles into space. When this solar wind crashes into the Earth's magnetic field, the magnetosphere, it can break through, damaging orbiting communication satellites and affecting the weather. It's possible to see these solar particles as the aurora borealis, the shimmering lights in the sky near the Earth's magnetic poles. Interest was high as the 4 satellites of the cluster mission began beaming back data from this cosmic battle zone hundreds of kilometers above our heads. The most exciting thing was that with the early data, scientists were able to confirm some of the theories they had, but they were also able to see phenomena which hadn't been expected, things that were different from what the theory said they should be. The aurora borealis, the northern lights, are the most visible sign of solar weather hitting the Earth's magnetic shield. But cluster should give earlier warnings of solar storms, which can seriously disrupt the spaceborne communication systems on which we now rely so heavily.